Hi everyone, Engineer Pad 5290 coming to you with a couple of new CN pieces I have here. Uh, since I have the CN ES44 AC now, I figured it's time for a couple of more CN cars in Engage. I do have a couple of cars, the gondola and also a mini box car, but I have a couple other hoppers that I just found. This one is a 90-ton hopper. The road number is 111315. It's an Atlas with microtrains. And I also found the cylindrical hopper that is rainbow on one side. It is an N-scale Canadian National 4-bay cylindrical grain hopper. The road number on it is 370708. And this is a Bachmann. So let's go ahead and take this one out of the box. If I can get it out of here. There we go. And it is rainbowed on one side. And it's really pretty. They do these in HO gauge, but I'm glad to have one of these in N gauge. There it is. That's the rainbow side. And there is the traditional side. And you can see this is the one with the red lettering, which is what I really like. It makes the car stand out a little bit. I really do like this car. Even though it is a Bachmann, Bachmanns have been built pretty well over the last several years. They've come a long way with their stuff, and Bachmann stuff has really come a long way. And of course, Atlas, is Atlas. And here it is, and it has fairly new. Actually, no, this is a secondhand piece. This is a microtrains piece, and it has the medium shank couplers on it. The wheels have got a little bit of mileage on them, but this is an older CN car. It's older. You can see it's spelled EN. You can look at the way it spells Canadian National. It's spelled a little bit differently than the American side, because you can see it says EN on this side, Canadian here, but on the other side it's spelled Canadian with an AN. Very, very unusual. So those are the two cars. A couple good goodies to put around with the ES44, and you'll be seeing these cars in action soon. And hope to see you all soon on my next premiere. That should already be up on the channel. And I'm looking forward to see you all soon. And these cars will be on the track soon. So with that, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.